Hi, I'm Gordon. I got the idea for woobetter from working with my dad. You see, he's an engineer, but not the computer type. And it seemed that he would always call me with whatever question he had next. You know, what do I do about this? What do I do about that? But then 3 years running, he got a bill from the hosting company on his credit card, didn't recognize it, charged it back, and got his website turned off. 3 years in a row. Didn't call me about that one. Then there was the time he got one of those scam letters to renew his domain for 150 bucks. In case you don't know, domain registration should be there about 15. Luckily, he called me for that one. So I made him a rule. I said, listen, if the bill doesn't come from me, throw it out. Secondly, you have a question, you call me first. Single point of contact, absolute peace of mind. What I realized was, WooCommerce store owners deserve that same kind of peace of mind that I first started providing for my dad when I first started building his website all those years ago. So the bottom line is, we're on a mission to help WooCommerce store owners sleep like puppies.